What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and if you don't know me, we go over tools, tips, and tricks to make money online. And today, guys, we've got a good one. We'll be going over how to make $100 a day with no money and no website. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So as you can see, we're on Quora.com. If you're not familiar with Quora, it's an online forum. It's where people ask questions and people, essentially just answer them, for free. Completely, again, free website. You can sign up. And what you'll do is type in your niche right here where it says search Quora, and it's going to pull up different questions around that topic. So, for example, let's try dunking. Can Michael Jordan still dunk the ball? Who has the most dunks in the NBA? All that good stuff. So what we're going to do first, we're going to go to ClickBank, find us a completely free offer, and then find people that are asking the questions around this offer, and then promote our offer to them by giving value to them. So what we're going to do is go to ClickBank. Again, this is free. You can sign up for it. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but they'll just ask for like your account information, your bank account information, so it knows where to send the money after you get paid. And then what you do is you click this icon right here, the search icon. It's going to give you like the most popular offers that are on ClickBank at the moment. And you just scroll down, you just kind of look at something that's a cool hot topic that you kind of want to push out. And so the average sale for this is $45.77, and it has a recurring bill of $45.27. The gravity is 363. So when you do want to promote an offer, you want to look at the gravity score. That just means how many people have reported sales in the past 2 weeks. So 363 people have actually said they've got paid from this offer in the past 2 weeks, which is really, really good. Anything over 70 is pretty legit, so I'd say take a chance on that. But for this demonstration, we're going to test out the custom keto diet. So what I'm going to do, click promote, and then I'm going to click or type in Quora, copy that hop link. Then we're going to Quora, and we're going to type in keto diet. So let's see, all time, past hour, it's been 2 questions, past day. Where can I get a customized keto diet plan made online as per my convenience? Perfect. So what we're going to do is click on that. And then you're going to click on that. We'll click answer. And then we're just going to give value to them, and then we're going to promote our link within this post. So what we're going to do is go to eZine articles. This is completely free. Keto diet. Let's go back. Type in keto. There we go. So now we're going to scroll through and see which ones they have. And again, all you have to do is just give credit of where you found the information from on the post. And we'll do that here in a second. Let's see. Click on this one. Scroll down. So what you could do, I still have that link copied, but it's all good. So what we're gonna do is copy this, copy that, then go back to this, and paste. And here's that link to the article, so we're good. And then deliver as much value as possible. Copy that. So go to this one. see if it pastes correctly in here. It does. And go back. I don't want to grab all of it and paste it, just a few bullet points. Alright, cool. I'll grab this. And then we're going to paste it here. We're going to put to learn or to build out your custom keto diet based on your macronutrients. Click below. Here, keto diet. Bold it. Copy that link. Hit that. Paste. Add. Out the link. Article source. Where can I get a customized keto diet plan made online? And a lot of times too, guys, the affiliate page has resources that you can use. So for example, I'm gonna click on this. Type that in. See landing pages, boom, articles. Download that. We're gonna open it. Open up the doc. So you know, because I'm just gonna actually take the product information, I'm gonna go ahead and paste it, but feel free to use Ezine articles if you want. Ezine is pretty cool, it's legit, but for this question, it's really unique and ironic how they want the exact same product that we're actually gonna give them. Usually they don't ask for that, they just ask for information about a certain subject, but this actually is what they're looking for. So I'm gonna copy and paste the product information inside of this, and I'm gonna go ahead and paste it in here. So go ahead and kill this. We're gonna paste that there. Cool. Remove this. So as you can see, we're just answering their question, where can I get a customized keto diet plan made online as per my convenience? And this is perfect. This actually answers their question exactly how we want it to, based on the offer that's available on ClickBank, which is absolutely free. You don't have to do anything. They handle the fulfilling. There's no other extra things that we have to do. We don't have to talk to the customer. It's all here for them. So after that, we just hit submit. But yeah, guys, feel free to use ease on articles, no matter how you see fit. If you want to do this every single day, I promise you will get money online, $100 a day. As I showed you before, this pays out $45 a day. And yeah, I mean, just kind of dig through all of the available ClickBank offers that you see, from, because it ranges from spirituality to, I mean, you literally just go down this whole entire list and go on Quora and just do this every single day, and you'll make $100 a day. So hope you found this informative. If you do, smash that subscribe button and notification bell while you're at it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.